Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today pag-uusapan natin ang mga common mistakes na ginagawa ng maraming freelancers or virtual assistants. At para maging successful ka rin sa online career journey mo, kung ready ka na, let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes na nakikita ko is yung copy and paste ng application letter. Kapag nag-a-apply online, especially sa mga Facebook job post or any freelancing platforms, make sure na i-personalize mo yung application letter mo. You can actually write a short letter expressing why you're applying and relate it to the specific job post. Hindi pwede yung generic letter lang ha. Clients can tell if you didn't make an effort. Okay, our mistake number 2 is not responding properly to job descriptions. Another mistake here is ang hindi pag-align ng application letter sa job description. During my early days, ang technique ko is I kept 2 tabs open. So for the tab 1, that is yung job post. Then yung tab 2 is yung application letter ko. I constantly refer to the job description para makasagot ako point by point. Ganun dapat. Show them that you understand the role that they're hiring for. Mistake 3, appealing to PT. Next is appealing to PT or sub-stories. Understandable na lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, pero sa freelancing, clients are looking for skills, not charity cases. Instead of saying, please hire me, single mom po ako, you can just focus on what you can do for their businesses. Ano bang maitutulong mo sa business nila? Highlight skills, not struggles. Okay, mistake number 4, lying during interviews. Huwag tayong magsinungaling sa interview. Minsan nakakatukso talaga na mag-exaggerate ng experience or skills, pero trust me, the truth will show once you start working. It's better to be honest on what you can and what you cannot do. Most clients appreciate honesty and willingness to learn more than fake experiences. Last but super important, not reading or signing a contract. Guys, always protect yourself and your client. Kahit simple lang, pero dapat malinaw sa contract ang rate, ang working hours, as well as the payment schedule, and any important terms like locked-in periods. There are many templates available online. Adjust mo lang depending sa agreement. And there you have it, 5 common mistakes na dapat iwasan ng mga aspiring freelancers. Alin dito ang nakarelate ka? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para mas marami pang tips about freelancing or working online. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.